Hello guys, and welcome to this video. And this video I will show with you how to return a Trendyol product step by step. Let's get started guys. First, open your browser and search for Trendyol and click first link and select your country on the website. After that, confirm your account and choose the next click the profile icon after the sign up with Google or any social app, and click continue guys. After that, click proceed and login. Click on my return here. You will find product that you want to return. To demonstrate and select any product you want to return. Is this product your shopping bag? Click on the profile icon again and click on order on return. From this section you will initiate the return process. And guys, for your orders, thanks for watching guys this video. See you another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video for more content.